Hi there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can rename your GoHighLevel dashboard navigation menu. Okay, so let's say for example in this navigation we have the launchpad, dashboard, conversation, calendar, and lots of other navigation. Okay, so if we want to rename any of them, okay, so how you can do this? So let me show you step by step how you can rename any of the navigation menu. Okay, so first of all, just go to the GHL Code Snippets library and then go land just on the snippets page, and just here search the rename GHL dashboard navigation item. Okay, so once you type rename, okay, so yeah, you can see here is it. So just click here to get the code, and here you will see we have already listed all the navigation menu ID. Okay, because this is important and you need this, so you don't need to find. Okay, we already added this here. So now from here just copy the code snippet. Here you can see we already have the code snippet. Just copy this from here, and then you can see we have the code editor. Just click on this and it will take you here. Okay, so now just paste the code, and then you need to just change the navigation menu name here. Okay, so rest of the code should be as it is. All you just need to put your navigation menu name. Let's say for example I want to change the dashboard. Okay, so the dashboard will be overview, then the contacts menu will be leads, and the marketing menu like this one. Okay, you can see here we have the marketing. Here is it. So the marketing menu, it will be changed to leads, the social and email. Okay, and for the site we will change it website and funnels. Okay, so all you just need to copy the correct menu ID. Okay, so let's say for the contracts. Okay, all you just need to copy these from here and then paste it here. Okay, like this. So this way you can add as many as you need. Okay, all you just need to put the comma at the very last one, and then just copy and paste it here, change the navigation ID. Okay, and then put your name here, and at the very end you should not put comma. Okay, so in this example I'm going to rename this 4. Okay, the dashboard will be overview, contacts will be sale, marketing will be social and email, and the site will be website and funnels. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, here, and then go back to your GoHighLevel agency dashboard. From the dashboard you will see company. Okay, just click on that, and from there copy the white, just click here on the white label, and inside that you will see custom code snippet. Okay, here the custom JS, just copy and paste the code. Okay, and save it. It's very simple and straightforward code, so you don't need to find the navigation menu ID or anything, because we already added everything. Okay, so now let me reload the page. Okay, so let me reload it. Let me go to the dashboard and reload the page. Okay, so now you can see our dashboard just renamed, and it's now showing overview, and the contacts is showing leads, and the marketing is showing as social and emails, and the site is now called website and funnels. Okay, so this way you can rename any of the navigation menu of your GoHighLevel dashboard. Okay, so I think you get the idea how these snippets will work. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.